Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial. As you can see here, this is the back side of the pattern. This is the front side. For this specific pattern, you need to have 5 stitches, but it's up to you if you want more stitches between the pattern. In this case, I used only 2. If you want to make it more, it's optional. What we have to do for the row 1, as I told you, I'm going to start from the right side by make only 2 stitches to knit 2 stitches. Then I'm going to pull 5, again 2 stitch for separation and 5 stitches pull. Then for the last one I'm going to make 2 stitches. This is row 1. Now we are going to start the pattern by just pull 2 stitches. When it comes on the first 5 knitted stitches, what we have to do, we are going to knit the first one, the second one. Now we have only 3 left. I'm going to take all 3, take the yarn over, then knit the first stitches and then let the other stitches, let's go out from the needle. Let's do it again. Knit the first one, knit the second one, then knit all 3, yarn over, and just knit the first one. And take all the stitches out. Like that. Now it comes to row 3 or back side of the work. When it comes to that 5 stitches, we do it the same, this way. We are going to pull the first one, pull the second one, then we are going to pull these 3 stitches together, yarn over, then pull the first one and let the other one out. Let's do it one more time. Pull the first one, pull the second one, pull these 3 stitches together, yarn over, pull the first one, and then let it go. This pattern is going to be repeat of these 2 rows, but let me do it again. Knit 1. When it comes to that part, you have to take this second one from here. Then knit, yarn over, and knit. Separation. Now we have 5 again. Knit the first one like normal knit. This one you have to insert the hook here, knit, then repeat the pattern. As you can see here, the pattern appear now. And as I told you, in the wrong side of the knitting, you have to do again and repeat. If you repeat these 2 rows after few rows, you are going to have a pattern like this. This is really easy and beautiful pattern. You can use it for any kind of project like a hat, scarf, cardigan, and whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.